Afternoon, boys. Oh, man. Let me just send this announcement in, people. We'll go straight into this. So as we know, NFP come out lower, which obviously signals bearish dollar, which is brilliant for us, man. That's absolutely brilliant for us. Let's talk NFP, man. It's that time. Just to make sure I got Bloomberg in my ears, you man. Oh, wow. We'll let a few man get in and we can have our talks of it about an NFP. Trust me, Jay. That's what we're looking at, bro. These EUGU buyers will be coming at some point now, boys. Like what I've been saying, our bias is those EUGU buyers, right? And the only thing we really need to get those is either get closer to NFP or continuously see bearish US data, which we've seen today. Today we've been given our NFP, which the market's all been waiting for. The reason why we've had pretty sort of a retracement move for the week, if you may. And what that shows is very low volume. So in terms of NFP, we saw employment come out lower in terms of a non-farm employment change. We saw average hourly earnings obviously stay the same. Unemployment rate came up by 0.1%, like that was anticipated. So to be honest, again, we are still looking at a very bearish dollar. And again, this NFP news has confirmed to us that we are 100% cutting interest rates. Because we are looking at, in terms of the interest rate cut, I think by the looks of what we had today, a 50 basis point cut makes sense. Bear in mind, we've still got a week full of news, so we've still got inflation coming out, which is quite important. So inflation will definitely confirm this, but I think that NFP has pushed us towards a more chance of a more aggressive 50 basis point cut than a 25 basis point cut. But a bearish move was perfect, right? And what I liked as well is it was just a retracement week, right? Monday started here, and this is the important thing about this week, right? Because this week was against bias, really. And the reason why this wasn't a trading week was because it was that NFP week, was waiting for data. But as we can see, this week was pretty much just accumulating between this, in between our trading range that we already had. Yes, we already broke this low. This was just a nice liquidity move to the upside. This is just internal movement. So when it comes to price action now, we want to see the continuations down to the upside. Really, we're probably going to have another bit of a retracement back up, just so we can get those unload of sells back into the market for the dollar. We've seen gold rise nearly to, well, pretty much now at its all-time high again, but we're coming towards the 3.6k an ounce price point, which is really high for gold. Again, highest in history at the moment. So we can see how the market is going against the dollar. But this has sort of just helped us with our bias, really, boys. This has really helped us with confirming what we're really looking for price, which is that bearish dollar, which is for those EUGU buyers that we should be getting into for the rest of September now, really. But yeah, I'm happy we're at this point now. We'll see these golden EU buyers, trust me. Yes, Michael, what's good, bro? Yes, James, next week could be good. Yeah, next week I'm anticipating a good week. I'm excited for this. Very excited for it. Fuck, I've just taken a roller coaster. Well, where are you at, Michael, man? What to talk about? It's been decided since end of August, lol. In terms of what, H2? Yes, Aaron, what we saying, bro? Bigfoot was good. Request my first payout after this week. Come on, James. Lovely stuff, bro. Plenty more to come in the future as well. Yeah, exactly, Aaron. Should start seeing those nice buyers now. I'm excited to start seeing those buyers. I'm really excited to see those buys. We're really going to see a lot more opportunities for those positions, which is nice. So I know we've had a retracement week and it's been confusing because we've had more of a bullish dollar on the weekly. I mean, now it's sort of fully retraced down with the help of NFP. But it was just a retracement move short term. We are still long term bearish at the moment for the dollar. So going into next week, again, our positions are EU, GU. That's not really trading. Never holding for a news again. That's so peak. Check chart, check on the mental shit. Michael, you've always got to learn the hardest way sometimes with some stuff. Alright, so oh, Michael, what did you see? What you hit TP further than what your target was as well? All TPs are hit, just mad mental games. Hard to click. Yeah, man. Yeah. Dollar bearishness, yeah, but we've had dollar bullishness this whole week so far. The first week of September, we've seen it be bullish for the dollar, pretty much. So now we should start anticipating the selling off now. No, he won low, but dirty money, trust me. Discipline isn't something you learn, it's something you get punched in the face with until it sticks. That's facts. That's so facts. That's so true. That's so true. He won, but at what cost? It's true. It's very true. So we're really anticipating the continuation of buys now. So where do you get in after we've already had this for today's price session in terms of a trade for today? Everything looks dreadful. I mean, we've had just such a bearish move for the dollar today, which is perfect because the market is just shaping up so nicely for next week. So nicely. I'm excited for it, man. There's actually not much to talk about the current in terms of trades right now. I'd say there is a zero trades right now. Don't look to buy the dollar against the UGU. Just no point. Even if it's short term, it's just no point trading against the trend. Alpha if I was for don't care about trading news events, do they? I don't know, bro. I'll be honest. I always have mine closed by the time there's news, so I'm actually not even sure. What's good, Steve? What's good, brother? Mate, what the fuck's going on with this trial signals thing? Like, what do you mean? What's going on with it? What do you mean? What do you mean? How do you reckon how do you reckon this plays out of LG on Gaia Mace? Euro bullishness, that is. I mean, it's hard to say Euro bullish with stuff that's coming out of the EU at the moment. It doesn't look good for the Euro, but it's more GU, I would say. It's way more GU I'm looking for the bullishness. It's saying to me, if you have probability on your side, you can pass evals with just news. I wouldn't advise it, I'll be so honest. Trial signal will be putting in a GU cell. Let's have a look at the trial signals, boys. Let's have a look what they're playing today. There shouldn't really be any trades today. Any trades today are just silly trades, in my opinion. GU sells. Selling GU. Selling EU. Selling GU, selling EU is crazy. Selling GU. No. Nah. To be fair, how will we even explain the trial signals in an interview if it came to it? Wait, what do you mean, bro? What interview? What the hell you been interviewed by? So much. I feel like it's getting noisy, but that's the point of the trials, boys. That's the point of the trials. You signals guys, they're not to take the trades. You're not meant to take the signal trial trades. You're meant to essentially give them a month probation. They send in their trades, and if you like the trader, you like his trades, you like the way he trades, you like how many trades he places, whatever, then you can vote to keep him in. Prop firm interview. Bro, don't tell the fucking prop firm you're taking ciggies, boys. What the fuck? Yeah, it is a Discord channel, bro. If you're a signals trader, you get to see them. But essentially, the whole concept of them, boys, right, is you're not meant to take the trial signal trades. You can if you want, but I would advise you not to. The whole point of that is so the traders that are trying to get in to become signal providers, because bear in mind that's the whole point of it, right? That's the whole point of the signals that we made the signals group from the start. Pretty much our traders sending in trades, earning money through that, and obviously people rewarding from them from placing the trades, right? That's the whole system we had. But then we ended up getting a lot of people not wanting to do signals. A lot of people just got scared. The signals weren't great. So me, Lou, Stu took it over. But we're still looking for more traders to trade that signal group. So the whole point of it is that we take people on. They have a 1 month probation. We see how their trades are. Me, Lou, and Stu will also look at their trades. But also all of the signal traders can see their trades. Not to place, but at the end of the probation period, you will vote to see if you want that trader to stay or if you want that trader to leave. It's all in your hands. Do not place the signals in the trial signals. The whole point of that is so that it's their 1 month probation. So that's sort of the situation around the signal trial side of things. Again, coming back to what I said earlier, the whole point of the group with signals was that we wanted a way for our traders to start earning money and also people placing the trades to earn money, right? Not mainly for us to just provide. It was mainly, that's how it started out, but then a lot of people didn't want to do it, so me and Lou still had to take over. Yeah, there's no way I'd take them, but some people def will, and I'm not even saying that low. But that's the thing, bro, but they shouldn't be. I mean, I don't know what Lou did started this channel, so I don't know what he's explained to you, man, about how it actually works. Yeah, that's a good idea, H2. How they get paid? Well, essentially, they get paid fixed for the first 3 months. and then from there we sort of will get them on a contract, sort of what Stu's on right now. But we need to see multiple months of profitability, not just that 1 month probation. They'll have another 2-3 months after that of fixed pay, and we want to see consistently profitable trades. In other words, boys, if you're consistently profitable month for month for at least 4 months, you're going to start working with us heavily in the Signals group. That's pretty much how it goes. But if you're looking to go down that route, I'll be honest, boys, we're not looking for people that can trade like the exact same ALG as me and Lou. There's not really much point. There's just going to be a collision of trades, but we will see people that trade sort of differently. So what does 22 in farm employment change mean? 20k less people employed. Let me read out the exact definition, see if this helps for you. If you go on Forex Factory, bro, you can just click on the news event, right? Click on the little folder to the right of it, and it explains what it is. It explains the measures, the usual effect, the frequency, and why traders care. So job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for the majority of overall economic activity. It's the change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. So NFP is massively important. So essentially 22k signals, pardon me, less people, or less employed than last month. Pretty much what you said, bro. Pretty much what you said. But if you ever got questions about any of these news, boys, just click on the folder next to the news. You'll be able to actually understand what it means. It's probably the most important labour market indication, really. But the reason they can see the signals, boys, is so obviously they can fucking like see how they're doing, like actually live look at their trades, not to place. What do I think about daily bias at the moment? EU bias. I'm more heavily on the GU bias. EG sells are going to be really nice coming into next week. I think next week, really nice trades. The most favoured markets, I would say, if the euro keeps that bearishness, is EG sells. GU sells. These are probably the best positions. And then secondly, EU. EU buys. Oh, sorry, I'm almost retarded. GU buys. So, best positions here. Secondary, not so good EU. We can see the signals chat, but not messaging there. Yeah, you're not meant to message in there, boys. That chat's just for the signals. If you want to message the traders, whatever, you can message them if you need, or ask us any questions about them. Oh, sorry. All right, got you. Yeah. See, I would say you're more favouring the GU buyers. There's nothing massive positive coming out of the EU at the moment. I would say it's worth EU buying. Yeah, I mean, yeah, again, same as me. Slaps for the rest of the month. That's me, brother. That's me. Whoa. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'll be real, boys. We look so good for us this month. I can't actually stress it. In it, full on Darth Maul. What is this, bruv? Holy shit. That candle's crazy. That's alright. That's alright, innit? Fuck it. To be fair, the Euro's quite strong today, to be fair with you. He's quite strong today. Hey, finally. It's about time. Finally completed CRT. Only took us fucking years. Bias was unreal with that CRT. Oh, called that all the way down from these lows here. To start down here. And then we started having that move. That's really nice for me. A couple weeks of price action. We should look for price to continue now as well. I think it was monthly CRT we was looking at. Oh, God, there is. So monthly CRT is our new objective. Weekly's all done and dusted. Completion. So now let's go see ourselves to the monthly, lads. See ourselves to the monthly. We had CRT there to the downside, but again, I'm favouring the bullish side with these current market situations. Are we similar on GU? Yeah, we had that horny closure here. Weekly's not complete. Dollar's been a little bit stronger, that's why. Was this, no, that's not even the right candle. Oh, did we just not have it on this one then? But yeah, we're sort of anticipating EG to continue down at some point. I mean, we're still bearish on the Euro, but mate, so I know you're a fundamental heavy person. The question I have is, do it follow Forex Factory or MyFX book? Because I know it's in MyFX, which shows more high impact news compared to Forex Factory. I look at both, bro. MyFX book is the same one as the one on our website, so I look at that one all the time. By the way, that's working again, boys. If you didn't realize, but I look at both. To be brutally honest with you, I look at both. You got to bear in mind, a lot of the news doesn't matter though. Like, a lot of it don't. But that's why I see that video I made on like the different like impacts of the different news events is key to watch. I'll tell you, definitely give that a watch if you've got time, bro. Many real retail sales this morning. A lot of stuff going on. Did a bit of a rebalance in EG. That's what we want to see. But yeah, again, like main targets we're looking for next week is those that sort of the monthly CRT we got here on the DXY, and we've got very similar here on EU. GU, did we have any or not? Yeah, GU we got the same. So CRT on the monthly is lovely, and again we're looking for this whole month to be nicely bullish. So I'm really looking for this to be my technical analysis for the higher time frame bias. And in terms of fundamentals, obviously we've got that through not only NFP that we just had, but also the rate cut that's coming up. I've been watching Bluebird though, and it's beginning to make more sense to have projected to sort of interest rates lower. No idea. Yeah, trust. Interest rates are really important. Does it make sense for the Fed to cut? What type of fucking silly question is that, bruv? We was cutting before this fucking unemployment rate come out. That's the way, Stu. Jarvis, have you boys seen that Jarvis like video? Jarvis, make her 9 feet tall. Jarvis, make her slim thick. Jarvis, increase jiggliness by 35%. Bro, imagine having that Jarvis thing. Jarvis, make me 9 feet tall. Right, get used to if I trade an ACG, which they have the new rules, my fixed book should have partners. Yeah, so sick, he's guarding me. He's guarding me through the entire. Bro, ChatGPT is actually nuts, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually nuts. It's fucking nuts. Like, boys, use it. Actively use it, bro. Like, if you got anything that you would normally type up on the internet, yeah, do it instead of, like, use ChatGPT instead of Google. And just get in the rhythm of using ChatGPT more, because ChatGPT is unreal, bruv. It is unreal. Jarvis, stroke it for me. Jarvis, scratch my balls. Hey, Jarvis, make her 5 feet tall. Hey, Jarvis, increase jiggliness by 35%. Pardon me. Pardon me. Right, we're doing fuck all for us. I'm going to jump off soon, boys. I'll be real. I need to have a fucking lie down. I've just had to run my nan around for about an hour. And I feel it's taken everything out of me. I'm not going to lie. Everything out of me. But I did want to jump on and talk about NFP with a fucking Monday. With a Mandem. Let's do if I do okay. Have you seen the one who where it asks AI to count to 1 million? Nah, not even. Why? What's it? What's the story behind it? I need to eat something as well, bro. I've not really eaten in the last couple of days. Should really fucking eat something. Some free chat members were trying to dig me out a couple of weeks ago for using ChatGPT. What? Bro, why would you not? Bro, these are the same guys that would fucking... Like, why? Like, why? Like, there's no valid reason anyone can give you. If you really want to learn anything... I'm one of them guys, right? Like, I'm one of them dudes. If there's something I don't know, like, for an example, right? Say if me and you having a conversation, yeah, about fucking... Let's just say... bro, I don't even know. Top of my head, I don't even know. Randomly, right? But, like, let's just say, bro, I actually can't think of nothing. My brain's actually mushy right now. Let's just say, okay, nothing's actually coming to my head, bro. What the fuck? Let's just say, right, one of you, man, come in here and you start talking about NASDAQ or something. You start talking about the stock market. The first thing I will do is I will ask ChatGPT. That's the first thing I will do. Is understand what, like, where that currency, or where that, well, I should say currency, where that asset is currently sitting. Where's the index currently sitting? And I would sort of understand. Even in a more natural scenario, right? Even just say, like, my nan was talking about, let's just say a sixpence or like a threepence, some currency from when the fuck, I don't even know, from like 19 don't even remember type shit. Then I'll type it up on ChatGPT. As anyone else would do on Google. So, like, I don't know why people would... Yeah, I don't know why beans... Use it all the time, boys. Use ChatGPT. Honestly, bro, I talk to ChatGPT more than chat to anyone, I think. Like, bro, I need to do bare shit because of ChatGPT. Even business-wise, like it helps you with... Like what Stu said with the calf. It helps you with so much different shit. Threepence. A threepence. Mary's got fun and ended up blowing my account after that. I didn't follow my rules, been placed and run out trading stations as I can be in place. Oh, that's annoying, Pascal, bro. That is annoying. What I would say, bro, is first of all, you've got to learn the lesson somehow, innit? You've got to learn the lesson in a hard way, and sometimes it will teach you whilst you lose a funded account or whilst you like fuck up your first payout or something. Do you know what I mean? You've always got to learn some way. So I'd say again, just bro, stick to those rules. You know where you went wrong. You know exactly where you went wrong. You didn't go for the rules. You try to rush into trades just because you're in a funded account to earn some money. Do you know what I mean? That's how it goes. And that's the thing, right? That's what fucks you. Like, that is what is gonna fuck you. There's nothing more. There's no other different scenario you're gonna come into than that's gonna fuck you as hard. I promise you. So at least you learnt that now. You've honestly just got to go back to a funded account, bro. Go and hit it up again. But make sure you've got your rules. Write your strategy down next to you, man, if you mad need to. Or on your computer, just on one of your monitors or something like that, on your phone, on your notes. Just make sure you've got it to hand whilst trading. So you know exactly what you got to do, right? Set yourself up for success, boys. Set yourself up for success, man. And you will succeed. I promise you that. No cap. No cappity biap. Yeah, trust. But yeah, I'm gonna jump off, lads, because man, I feel shite. But yeah, at least we know what we're really going into, man. Yen's still weak. The yen's still weak, boys. It's probably quite strong against the dollar, so you might see yen basket have a bit of a rebalance just because we had a bearish dollar. Yeah, that's what we've seen. But going into next week, again, we're looking at the weak dollar, buys GUEU, sells EG, boys. That's what we're looking at. Anyway, I'll catch you by next week. Hopefully I'm fucking better. I really hope I am. I thought it was going to be better this morning, but I just felt worse than yesterday. Which don't make sense. But boys, I'll catch you, man, tomorrow. Yeah, GU's about to complete. EU's already complete. DXY is complete. We're now looking at the monthly now. Yeah, we got someone to create the website, bro. I'm not good at making websites. Luckily, we got money. Nah, I'm not a cunt. But yeah, you, man. Love you all, man. Take care. Have a good weekend. I'll see you boys back on Monday. And yeah, we should be getting some nice positions. So I'll see you boys then, man. I'm excited for it. Have a good weekend, boys. Keep well.